Well, hey guys, today I'm on the MSC Seascape and I'm going to take you on a video walking tour of cabin 10250. Now this is a balcony cabin and it's set up for 3 people, so let's go in and take a look. As you come in the room, you got a trash can, looks like a magazine rack, looks like we got some shelves. Moving on down, this got a refrigerator. Looks like they've got some supplies in there. I wouldn't, if you drink them, they're gonna charge you for them. Okay, we got a stool, and looks like a little table you can pull out. Right here in the drawer, you got your hair dryer. We got 3 drawers right here. Here's something that everybody asks me about. Well, of course, I'm going to show you this first. I'm going to turn, that's your light for your desk. This is something everybody shows. Let me turn my little light on here so you can see it good. Right there, you got 2 110s and 2 USBs. Then you've got 2 of the European plugs. Up here we got your TV. Of course, there's the mirror. Okay, we're going to spin around here. Now we're going to see the closet. You got a sliding door on the closet. In the closet, you got, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves, 2 drawers, and you got, this is a drawer that don't work. It's just a dummy drawer. And you got a safe right here. On the other side, looks like we got a shelf up top, hangers, and look like a shelf down at the bottom, place you can put your shoes and everything. Not a real big closet, but it's, you know, good enough. Okay, like I said, this room's made for 3 people, so this is the sofa that they've got turned into a bed. As we walk in, they call that a king. I'm not sure. Maybe it's a cruise king. I don't think it's as big as a normal king, but it's a nice sized bed. At the end of the bed, there's a full-length mirror. That's actually a really big one. Something else everybody asks me about, is there any plugs on the side of the bed? Well, on this side of the bed, you actually got lights. You got a reading light that you can adjust it, and you can turn your main cabin lights on and off right here. But there is no plug or no USB. Now moving to the other side, you have the same setup, but you do have a USB plug on this side, the side closest to the balcony. It's actually not a bad looking bathroom. If you look, you actually have a shower door. You got your shower gel and your shampoo. There's your shower, and it's a adjustable shower. You can take it down. There's the commode. There's your supplies, toilet paper, towels, sink. Right under here, there's another trash can. Step back, take a look. There's a mirror for the ladies. They need to use a mirror for their makeup. And there's the towels. Well, I'm pretty sure this is why you came to see the video, so let's go out on the balcony right quick and I'll show you what it looks like. But first I want to open these curtains behind us and show you what it looks like in the room with just the curtains open and see what the view is from inside. So let me open the curtains right quick. All right, there's what it looks like with the curtains open. It's like a full window. You can lay in bed and look out if you want to. So let's go out and I'll point out a couple of things along the way. All right, as we go out, right here on the left is the light switch. So if you want to turn the light on or off on your balcony, that's where you do it. And something else, right up here to the top right, that's your child lock. So if you got small kids, you can lock this up here so they can't get out. Your handle lifts up, and this is a sliding door, so it just slides back. Now I'm going to go out and I'm going to turn around and show you the balcony, then we'll look over the edge. I'm going to spin around, get over in the corner. There's 2 chairs And over to this side, which you can move it wherever you want, there's you can either a footstool or use it as a table. When we had breakfast this morning, I actually brought that table from inside out here and used it. Let me throw a clip of that right quick, show you what it looks like. All right, let's look over. Now the first thing you're going to notice, we're on deck 10. If you look down, you can look right in. That's an extended balcony on deck 9. So you might get to see something you can't unsee, so be aware of that. And this cabin's kind of in the narrow part of the ship. You can see how it jots out, so it kind of looking back towards the front, it does kind of obstruct the view just slightly, which is not a big deal. You can still see the ocean just fine. I'll look down the ship and show you. A little cloudy today, but the ocean's very calm. All right, this looks like a good spot. I'm going to show you a clip what it looks like early in the morning, then I'm going to show you another clip what it looks like late at night. So let me throw that in right quick. Well, here's a shot out here about 6:30 in the morning. Just sun just came up. I'll give you kind of a little quick view. Ocean's very calm this morning. One more thing I was going to show you right quick. If you're not tall enough to see over the balcony, when you sit here, this front is not solid, it's glass, so you can actually look through the glass and see the ocean. There's one more thing that I think they could improve on a little bit. These chairs got a low back. Most of the cruise ships I've been on with other brands, they go up high on your back, and some of them even recline. But it's not a deal breaker, but I think that could be improved. Well guys, first I'm going to tell you, I'm not trying to sell you a balcony cabin, but hey, if you enjoy seeing the ocean, sitting out having breakfast, sitting out in the evening, or having your coffee or drink, then to me it's well worth it. I highly recommend everybody book one at least one time if you can justify spending the extra money, because it does cost more. If you can, only thing, you might not want to go back, so be aware that if you ever book one, you might not go back. But hey, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, stay to the end, and I'll have an end screen with some more of my videos. Till next time, happy cruising.